So what do we all get wrong as agents about client retention? So much data on this about how within 2 or 3 years, the average seller or buyer had a really good experience with their agent, but has forgotten their name. And so what we get wrong about client retention is that we don't have to touch in with them regularly for them to remember us. It's a huge mistake. We've already put the time in, the investment in. There's a value of our time. We put hours and hours, sometimes spent $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 of our time serving these people in the past. And so all we need to do to retain those happy clients is keep top of mind. The way to do that is to systemize a touch program to the people in our database, our past clients, friends, and family. To systemize that, you can utilize, there's a couple resources out there. The one that my team utilizes is Rooted Business Consulting, which runs a database touch program for agents and teams all around the country, where we can do anywhere from 2 touches a month to 5 touches a month and deploy that to your database using email marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, print marketing, and even client events with direct TCPA compliant touches inviting to client events. So go ahead and systemize your database, whatever you do, whether you utilize Rooted, our company, or another company out there. Systemize your database to stay top of mind for client retention. For a free consultation, just to see what Rooted has to offer, they'll give you a ton of value on this. They do 4 or 5 of them a week. Just click the link below. Somebody will be in touch real soon and show you what the next step might be.